So we're at the Great Garage Door booth here at the Minneapolis Home and Remodel Show. I wanted to show you this. Their insulated garage doors are not all equal. There's different types and different styles, and they've got a nice little display, so I wanted to show you that. You can see that they've got kind of a bead type insulation in these, and there's a couple of different things. This particular one has a back panel that kind of snaps in, and it keeps in that beaded, but you notice that that little channel up on top, there's no insulation in those. This one is a completely sealed system, but again, no insulation on top there. They can do different colors and such. This particular one is fully spray foamed in, so basically it is injected, and then we have another that is sealed but doesn't. You can really hear a complete difference because that chamber is fully filled from side to side, top to bottom, and it really is going to give you much more R value. So when you're looking for an insulated garage door, they're not all created equal. Make sure you're checking it out and finding the one that is fully filled all the way up into that little channel. Otherwise, you're going to have that spot that's just metal and not much more, trying to keep the cold weather or warm weather out. This is a little display here from Great Garage Doors here at the Minneapolis Home and Remodel Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.